Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss about this particular Dell laptop, how to upgrade SSD instead of CD drive. Once we remove CD drive and we have to upload this SSD. For that you need this HDD case or Caddy case and SSD hard disk. Also one screwdriver. Okay. So now we just start. Turn around like this and remove this screw. Before that you have to remove this battery. Okay, then there is a screw. Just remove the screw. Once you remove this screw, you have to pull it from here. There is a lock here, from here to the right side. Okay, so pull it like this. Do it carefully like this. Now you just remove this CD drive. Okay, then open this. Take this case and there is a screw packet and one small screwdriver. Okay, fix it like this and open this SSD pack. This is a gigabyte brand. You just open this. So check it, this pin. There is a two type of pin, and check it here and fix it very carefully, otherwise it will be make damage. So make sure this side, check it this side and this side, then make it like this. Just pull it from upside up. Okay, once it fixed, then keep like this and open this screw packet. Keep like this. So this particular model, and different types of model, it will be little bit different. So depend upon the model. This model I will be mentioned in the description. I will mention the fully details in the description. Which of the model is this laptop? This is one of the laptop, Dell Inspiron 5100. I will mention in the description that one. Okay, once the screw, fix it everywhere. Make sure they fix it everywhere. Once the screw is missing, leave it that one, no problem. There is already the three screws is there. Okay, fine. Now you just fix it same way how the DVD drive was, like that. Once it fix it, fully fix it, make sure it is fully fixed, then again do the screw. Okay, once the screw is fixed, then again put back this battery. Okay, fix this battery. Okay,